Okay, we are starting section 9.3 in your book, which is proportions. And proportion, all that is just a comparison of two ratios, and it'd be ratios that are equal. And it also is the same thing as like comparing two fractions. It'd be two fractions that are equal. I mean, one of them would be not simplified. And I will show you some examples of these things that are proportional, and that's all we're going to be doing with the assignment today. Anyway, here's our first ratio, 3:4. Another ratio, which is going to be equal to this, if I multiply top and bottom by 2, I would have 6/8. So this is proportional. 3/4 is equal to 6/8. And you can check if they're equal by cross multiply. This is probably the one sure way of checking if your two ratios are equal is to cross multiply. So I'm just going to write this down. Cross multiply to check if they are equal. Or you could say if they are proportional. And they would need to be equal if they are proportional. So we'll cross multiply with this. This is, I mean, you can already figure this out. But if we cross multiply, it's going to be 3 times 8. And you're just multiplying the top with the bottom. 3 times 8 is 24, of course. And then do the same thing. 4 times 6. That equals 24. They both need to equal the same thing to be proportional, and they do. They both equal 24, so that one is easily figured out. I want to do a few more examples. A few more examples of this so you know what to expect on the homework assignment. And they could be written maybe like this. 3 to 6. I mean, this is a ratio. Okay, 3 to 6. And 4 to 8. All right, two ratios. Write them up here as fractions. 3/6, does that equal 4/8? Some of you might be able to look at these and just simplify these to both to a half. I mean, if you simplified each fraction, it would be a half, so that's another way of checking. But cross multiplying always works. So 3 times 8. That again is 24. 6 times 4. 24. They equal each other, therefore you know that these are proportional, so that is definitely a yes. Let me do 2 more examples, and then I think you guys will have enough that you can handle the homework assignment. 9 to 3, 62. 9 to 3, and 6 to 2. So write it as a fraction. 9/3 equals 6/2. Do they equal each other? Cross multiply to find out. All right. 9 times 2 equals 18. 3 times 6. That equals 18. So yes, they are proportional. One more example. Here we go. Let's say it's 5 to 8 and 2 to 3. So here's our two ratios. Write them up as fractions. 5 to 8 equals 2 to 3. Cross multiply, some of you already probably have figured this out. Do 5 times 3. That equals 15. All right. 8 times 2 equals 16. They're not equal, so they are not proportional. That takes care of that section 9.3. We'll work on more proportions with the next section. Thanks.